to enable or disable battery charge limit on Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to open the settings. Once you open settings, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and you want to go to battery. Over here in battery settings, we should be able to find battery protection. Let's go over here. Now, if you have battery protection enabled, then you can choose the maximum battery protection, and you can set up the limit. So you can set it to 80%, 85, 90, or 95%. If you use basic battery protection, you can charge all the way to 100%. But if the battery is going to be charged to 100%, then the battery process is stopped. And in case the battery drops down to 95%, then the phone can start charging again to 100%. There is also the sleep time protection for the basic protection, which means that if you charge your phone at night, then the phone is going to stop charging at 80%, and then if everything goes well, it is supposed to start charging again before you wake up, so that when you wake up, you have full 100%. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.